Ever feel like you're the glue holding everything together in your world? Do your people count on you? Well, who's holding you together daily? Women are one of God's greatest creations and need to be energized. Introducing Ultra Vita 10 for Women, a new daily multivitamin created by top women scientists and nutritionists right here in the USA. No fluff, no fillers, and designed to support your Superwoman lifestyle. It fills those nutritional gaps, boosting energy, immunity, and mood. Power through your day with a smile, feeling vibrant and strong. From healthy hair, skin, and nails to keeping your immune system and muscles strong, Ultra Vita 10 for Women gives you that boost daily. Created with essential vitamins like magnesium, vitamin E, and iron, it's tailored to your unique needs. Because we know you've got a lot on your plate. You're the backbone of your world. Your people need you, a healthier you and a more vibrant you. Ultra Vita 10 for Women. Because your people can't do life without you holding things together. Make the switch and elevate your daily multivitamin today.